Okay. Let's check everyone whether the clarity is good or not. Once everything is good, inform to me so that we'll start our class. If everything is good, we will start our class. Let's check the quality, audio and video. Then inform to me. Everyone. So I hope clarity is good for you all. So let me rub this. So last class I took yours only. That was the reason I was left like that. So today we are going to discuss integration by parts. So what we are going to discuss? Integration by parts. That is integral UV formula, how to use and how to solve the problems. That we are going to discuss. So very simple question. And simple topic also this is. So let us discuss today. Okay? Are you ready? I hope you are ready for the class. So first I'll write the formula, then I'll go for it. So integral f1 of x into f2 of x dx is equal to f1 of x integral f2 of x dx minus integral and then big bracket d by dx of f1 of x that into integral f f2x dx whole dx. So this is nothing but integration by parts. Integration by parts. This is our topic today. So our topic is what? Integration by parts we are going to discuss. Kindly come and join as early as possible. Let us close our eyes first and then we'll start our class. So close our eyes, we'll pray first, then we'll start our class. Close our eyes. God kindly provide your knowledge and wisdom to solve our mathematics problems and our daily life problems. Thank you, God. All right, let us start now. So Garima also still, I don't know why she was not attended till. So integration by parts means two functions are given. How we will divide that into the parts and then how we will get. So this only I said f1 of x I'll think as u, f2 of x I'll think as v. So then what will be? It is integration of uv dx is equal to, so f1 is nothing but u integral v dx minus big integral and bracket start. So d by dx of f1 of x is nothing but u dash into, u dash is nothing but what do you know? D by dx of u and then integral f2 of x, that is nothing but v dx whole dx. This is your uv formula, u into v formula for integration. And how this was derived means by using d by dx of uv formula. What is d by dx of uv? You know that v into du upon dx plus u into dv upon dx. This formula only we just reverse of that anti-derivative of this we found that as this only you are going to get. So anti-derivative of d by dx of uv is you are going to get in this parts form. Okay, so this is called as integration by parts. So anyhow, now we'll use this and we are going to solve exercise number 7.6. How we will solve? Let us see. So this formula I'm going to write here and then I will solve all the problems. Okay. All Let me rub this. So now we are discussing integration by parts. So part by part, how you will solve. So now this formula I'm going to write here, integration uv dx is equal to u integral v dx minus then integration of u dash u dash integral v dx then dx. Okay, this we are going to solve now. How to solve? Let us see from this exercise. So what is that? Exercise number 7.6. So now we are discussing exercise number 7.6. This we are going to discuss. Okay, so exercise number 7.6. So in that first question, let us discuss. So 7.6 first, x into sin x. So first one it is x into sin x. Okay. And here, which you want to think as u, which you need to think as v. For that, you have to remember this isolate. So in this way only you have to give the preference first, inverse functions, inverse trigonometric functions, L means logarithm, and A means arithmetic, T means trigonometric, E means exponential. Okay, so you have to decide by using this. So isolate, by using this isolate, you have to decide which is u, which is v. Always remember u should be, so first inverse function we need to take as a u, or logarithm function you have to take. See, according to this preference. So inverse function, log function, arithmetic function, trig function, then exponential function. In this way, orderly we have to take. How we are going to take? Let's see now. X is here form. Sin x is nothing but trig form. So which one I need to think as u now? According to this, first arithmetic, then trig. So that means, so as it is like this only we have to take. So now x we need to think as u. Sin x we need to think as v. Okay, so which one we are going to use to find which is u, which is v? So isolate. I means inverse function, L means logarithmic function, A means arithmetic function, T means trig function, means trigonometric functions, E means exponential function. You know that x is arithmetic function, sin x is nothing but your trigonometric function. In both, which one you have to take first? You have to take first your arithmetic, then trigonometric. Okay, now let us solve the problem, then you can understand, otherwise it's very difficult to understand for you all. So one problem if you are understood clearly, then remaining problems are very easy for you all. Okay, let us start. So now here, first let take, now this is u, this is v, I thought. Let I is equal to integral x into sin x. So now x into sin x, right? X into sin x only. That is equal to, now parts you have to make. This is u and this is your v and here dx, right? So first u is nothing but x. Integral v dx, v is nothing but sin x dx. Next, minus symbol, big integral, and whole in the bracket, d by dx of x. So d by dx of u is nothing but x. Next, integral v dx, v is what here? So v is sin x. So now sin x dx and then dx. Let's simplify this. Whatever you get, that is your answer. So x as it is, you know that integral sin x is nothing but minus cos x. So write minus cos x. Next, minus symbol as it is. Integral again. D by dx, dx upon dx is nothing but 1. Integral sin x is nothing but minus cos x dx. Clear? So now minus into minus plus. So let me write here minus x cos x minus into plus. Now integral cos x is nothing but sin x. So write sin x. That's it. Plus c. Finished your answer. So very simple, right? So how to solve this problem? Once again, listen carefully. You need to use UV formula. Integral UV dx is equal to U integral V dx minus integral U dash integral V dx. This is internal part of this integral. Okay. So now U means here x, V means sin x by using the Eilert formula. Okay, according to Eilert, so it is just for remembering purpose. In your textbook they given as Eilert. Eilert means first inverse trigonometric functions, next logarithmic functions, next arithmetic functions, next trigonometric functions, next exponential functions. So you need to take according to that. So from this, x is arithmetic function, sin x is nothing but trigonometric function. According to that, first will be arithmetic, that is u is x and v is sin x. Then we will simplify. Very simple question. In such a way, we have to solve the problems. Okay, now first question finished. Let us move to the second. So that is about your first question, very easiest question. Now let us go for second. All are like this only. All problems are like this only, you have to solve. Second one, at A, this is your V and this is, sorry, this is your U and this is your V. Then let I is equal to integral x into sine 3x dx is equal to, first u means, first u in integral v dx. U is nothing but x integral sine 3x dx. After that, minus symbol, so minus integral u dash, so dx upon dx. Next, integral v dx, integral sine 3x dx. So then whole dx. Then simplify this. X as it is. Integral sine 3x is nothing but we can write it as minus cos 3x. Whenever multiplication is there, divided with 3. Completed this minus. Now integral 1 into integral sine 3x dx means already you found, right, that minus cos 3x upon 3 plus c. Minus into minus plus. So let me write remaining part minus x cos 3x upon 3 minus symbol. Now minus into minus plus integral cos 3x. Anyhow, first 1 upon 3 first. Integral cos 3x. Integral cos 3x. So anyhow, this integration is not completed. Okay. Anyhow, plus c, we will continue in that way. So integral cos 3x dx. Here dx I was missed. Plus c. Let's see now what we are going to get for this. So that is equal to, we'll write minus x cos 3x upon 3 minus x cos 3x upon 3. Now here plus symbol, so plus symbol 1 upon 3 integral cos 3x dx is nothing but, you know that, sine 3x upon 3. So now sine 3x upon 3 plus c. Now finished your answer, just you can simplify it. Minus x cos 3x upon 3 plus 1 upon 9 sine 3x plus c. Finished your answer. Very simple questions these all. So what you need to do, x as think as u and sine 3x as v by using Eilert. First inverse trigonometric functions, second one logarithmic functions, third one arithmetic functions, and the fourth one is trigonometric functions. E is nothing but exponential functions. So according to this order only you have to think which is u, which is v. So here u is nothing but just this formula we used and then substituted, we get our answer. Okay, one more problem we'll discuss so that it is going to be very easy for you all. Now Garima Singh is present, I think. Okay, Garima Singh, if you are facing any problem, you can inform to me. So whether clarity is good or not. And if you are under, I think now only you came so that you could not able to understand. Let me go for one more problem, then you can understand. These two again in the offline video you can watch so that you can understand. So now third onwards we'll discuss. Now third question onwards we'll discuss. This is what is topic today. Today's topic is integration by parts. Okay. So if two functions are given, how to do integration? So you have to use UV formula. This is UV formula. So now here see UV is there. Partly you are done and you are solved. That is the reason it is integration by parts. Okay. Clear, sir. Very good. So now we'll go for that. So now third question we'll go for that. So third one it is x square into e power x. This is given. And in this now you need to find out which is our u, which is our v. According to that, what is there? So this exponential form, this is exponential form. And this is your x square, also that only we may think. So now what we'll do, this is your arithmetic and this is going to be your exponential. Such kind of times what we need to do is first one as u, second one as v. Very simple. So u and v. Use that eyelet and then get the answer. So let me solve now so that you can understand. So now first what I can do with this. So first integral, let I is equal to integral uv. So that is x square into e power x dx. So first what is there? U is nothing but here x square. Then integral v dx. Integral v is nothing but e power x dx. Okay, next minus symbol, minus integral, then bracket start, u dash is nothing but d by dx of x square. D by dx of x square. Written that. After that, what is there? Integral v dx. So v dx means, so v is nothing but e power x dx. So now that is whole dx. So you just observe. So first u is x square, so that x square written integral e power x dx minus integral d by dx of x square, and then integral e power x dx. According to that, integral v dx means v is e power x we thought, and whole bracket dx. So now how we will solve this part? This is equal to x square d by integration of e power x means e power x only minus big integral, and now here d by dx of x square is nothing but 2x, that is into now integral e power x dx is nothing but e power x. So then dx. So we written this part. So after that, what we need to do now? So after this, see here 2 times we have to do. Let me see how we can solve. So now x square e power x minus, so in the 2 is constant, right, to integration of x into e power x dx. X into e power x dx. Now again you need to apply UV formula. So now this gives us equation number 1. Now for this we need to solve. So let us see. how we will solve. So now till this we found one, another equation we have to find out now. So x into e power x. So x is u, e power x is v. So now let us apply this formula. Integral x into e power x dx. Okay. So just we'll write this part is equal to x means what do you know? That is u is nothing but x, integral v is nothing but e power x dx minus integral u dash is nothing but dx upon dx integration integral v is nothing but e power x dx, bracket close, then dx. So let us see how we will solve this. So x as it is, integral e power x means e power x only, minus integral this dx upon dx is nothing but 1, integral e power x means e power x into dx. So now let us see here, x e power x minus integral e power x is nothing but e power x plus c. Now just substitute this in equation number 2. So I'll write this as 2, substitute equation 2 in 1. Then what will happen? So now this is equal to x square into e power x minus 2 into so now this whole we can write here, and then let me say this as c1, then at last I'll write plus c. 2 into this whole part x into e power x minus e power x. So plus c1. So now let's simplify this. X square e power x minus 2 into x into e power x minus into minus plus 2 e power x minus into plus minus c1. Minus c1 think as plus c, then at last answer x square e power x minus 2x e power x plus 2 e power x plus c. That is our final answer. Once again understand clearly here. So what is given, what we need to do? Here x square into e power x is given. So arithmetic function is x square. This is v is nothing but exponential one. So integration x square into e power x dx written. After that, this is your u and this is your v. U and v. Now, u means x square integral. Next, v dx. V is nothing but e power x dx minus. One problem understand clearly, then every problem is easy. Minus, next integral. So integral, bracket start. U dash is nothing but d by dx of u. U is here x square, so that x square. Then integral, here integral. Then b means e power x, so that e power x dx. This whole bracket close, then dx. So according to formula we are writing. Now after that, so x square integral e power x means e power x only, minus integral, here 2 is constant, so just write 2 first. Anyhow here d by dx of x square is nothing but 2x, integral e power x is nothing but e power x. Now 2 constant, then integral x into e power x dx. Again x into e power x dx means again you have to apply uv form, because x is u, e power x is v. Then apply that, we get one answer. Just that answer substitute in this, get the final answer. Okay, I hope Garima sent sir understood. Very good. So if you are understood, we'll go for next. So if you are understood, we are going to the next problem so that it will be good for you all. So I can also understand whether you all understood or not. I understood now. So let me go for next one now. So next part. Okay, let us go for problem number 4. I think this also nearly 20 problems are there. Today, how many problems are possible? That is in the online class, that many will finish, and then like yesterday manner, one offline video again I will send. That offline video you can check, so that we need to finish now these all difficult chapters as early as possible. Still we have two more chapters are there. Applications of integration. Another one it is your differential functions. So is that two finished means then we will be free. Remaining all easiest ones. Already videos are there for us. So just I want to send only that videos. So let us go for next one, that is problem number 4. What is that? X into log x. X into log x. So anyhow, observe now, according to eyelet, what is first? Logarithmic is first. So that this should be u and this should be v. Rearrange now. Log x into x. Find it now, what is the use of this eyelet? So which is you need to find out first. For finding that, it is logarithmic function, it is arithmetic function. Which one I need to write first? According to that eyelet, first logarithmic. So logarithmic means log x should be your u and x is your v. Now we written in the order. So let's take the integral. Integral log x into x. This is your let I is equal to dx. Now according to this formula, first u is log x, integral v is nothing but here x. Okay. Next, integral v dx. V is nothing but here x. So x dx into dx. Let's simplify this. So log x integral x dx means x square upon 2 minus. And now here it is d by dx of log x is nothing but 1 upon x, that is log x upon 2 minus here 1 upon 2 constant. Integral x dx is nothing but x square upon 2 plus c. So last final answer is what? Half, just common right answer. X square into log x minus x square upon 2 plus c. Finished your final answer. Understood now? In this way you have to solve your problem number 4. Understood means just keep thumb symbol so that let me know whether you are understood this problem or not. This much only your fourth problem. Otherwise what you need to do, instead of commoning off, just multiply 1 into x square upon 2 2s are 4. Finished your answer. So that's all about fourth one. Let's move to the fifth problem. Garima, understood? If you are understood, say that understood, sir, so that let me know. So now fifth question, it is given as x into log 2x. Now tell to me which is u, which is v. So x is arithmetic function, next will be logarithmic function. So first always you have to write logarithmic function, then arithmetic according to eyelet. So now this will write it as log 2x into x, and this is you. So first what we need to, let I is equal to integral log 2x into x dx is equal to, first you need to write log 2, then big integral and bracket start d by dx of log 2x, d by dx of log 2x. Next, that into integral x dx, bracket close, then dx. So according to this formula, now very simple. So log 2x as it is log 2x, d by integral x dx, x square upon 2. Next, minus symbol. Now integral d by dx of log x means 1 upon 2x, and into d by dx of 2x is nothing but chain rule we need to apply now. d by dx of 2x is nothing but 2. Next, that into integral x dx means you know that x square upon 2. 2 get cancelled, x and this square get cancelled, and then dx. Let's simplify last part here. Log 2x into x square upon 2 minus. So now integral, so any of first constant half right outside. Integral x dx means again x square upon 2. A similar question only. Let's see. At last answer, log 2x into x square upon 2 minus x square upon 4. Let's see. Finished your answer. I hope you are understood this. Any doubt is there? Ask me now itself. So what is our final answer here? Here it is log 2x into x square upon 2 minus x square upon 4 plus c. Same manner only you get. Instead of log x, there you got as log 2x. So that is about fifth problem. I hope you all understood. So can I rub now fourth? So if you are understood this fourth one, I'll rub this. Here I'm going to write our sixth problem. Okay, let's go for sixth. Sixth is x square into log x. X square into log x. So again always log will be the first. So then very simple question again. This we can write it as log x into x square. This should be u, this should be v. Now let I is equal to, you know why I was written logarithm first? Because of that isolate. Isolate means which you want to think as u first, means first inverse function is there in the function, you have to check. No inverse functions. So that next one logarithmic functions. Yes, logarithmic function is there, so that will be your u. Okay, all right, let us go for this. Integral log x into x square dx. Now this is equal to first uv is log x, integral x square dx. Next minus symbol, then integral bracket start d by dx of log x. So actually I need to write directly, but I was not writing because you need to understand. Next integral v is nothing but x square dx, that into dx. Let's simplify this. First log x square, integral x square dx means x cube upon 3 minus d by dx of log x is nothing but 1 upon x, that into integral x square means you know that x cube upon 3, that into dx. So now x and then this square will come. So now this is equal to log x into x cube upon 3 minus 1 upon 3 constant, integral x square is nothing but x cube upon 3 plus c. So now if you want to simplify still, log x into x cube upon 3 minus x cube upon 9 plus c. Finished your answer. Understood this? If you are understood, just keep the thumb symbol, Nana, so that let me know. Understood or not understood? Fastly inform to me. Understood means just keep that thumb symbol. Okay, so Garima said understood. So let me see what is remaining. So next problem we need to check now. So next problem in this is your problem number 7. Let us go for that problem number 7 now. So here I'll rub And here I'm going to write problem number 7. So here I'll rub this part, exercise number 7.6 also. So now it's problem number 7. 7 is what is given here. X into sine inverse x. X into sine inverse x. Very good. Again, this is also one of the easiest problem. But you should know what is sine inverse x, what is cos inverse x. Those are formulas. Otherwise, it is very difficult for you. So first, let me give for you all formulas. I hope last time I was said that formulas, if you are remembered, it is very easy. If you are not remembered formula, it is always going to be difficult for you all. So let me give for you all what is your sin x, sin inverse x and cos inverse x, tan inverse x and those all, so that it will be easy for you all. So let me give. So now first one here, anyhow, by observing here itself, first one is inverse. So sine inverse x into x. So u and this is your v. Now we are going to discuss remaining points, then you get understand. So now first here, let I is equal to, so according to problem, I'll give for you your formulas. Sahil, now he came. So you woke up now. Okay, very good morning. So integral sine inverse x into x dx. Listen carefully now. First we need to decide, like this two parts are there. This is integration by parts. Here two terms are there. And which term is u, which term is v you want to find, means you have to use this eilate. Now from this first one here, inverse trigonometric functions. So now in this, is there any inverse trigonometric function? Yes, that is sine inverse x. So that is your u, and whichever is there next one, that is your v. Okay, so now that is equal to, so now nothing but sine inverse x, then integral v is nothing but x dx. So we'll write here x dx minus, next what is there, integral bracket start d by dx of u is nothing but sine inverse x, d by dx of sine inverse x, then integration of x dx into dx. Okay, now we written what is d by dx of sine inverse x. Have you remembered that? Not remembered, at least now observe carefully. Sine inverse x as it is sine inverse x, that into integral x dx means we'll write x square upon 2 minus integral as it is, then bracket start d by dx of sine inverse x 1 upon square root of 1 minus x square. Have you remembered these formulas? In differentiation, we got d by dx of sine inverse x, d by dx of cos inverse x. Even proofs also I was explained that time. If you remember, that will be the better for you all. So now first d by dx of sine inverse x means 1 upon square root of 1 minus x square. Cos inverse, if you get, minus 1 upon square root of 1 minus x square. Remember that. That into, now integral x dx is nothing but x square upon 2, that bracket close into dx, now how can we solve this? Now how we will solve this part? Easily. So you need to inform now, then only we can solve, otherwise you feel as a difficult this problem. Okay, no worries, let me go for it. So now this is equal to half sine inverse x into x square minus, now in this constant is 2, so first write that 1 upon 2 integral x square upon square root of 1 minus x square, and then what is there, dx. Okay, now put x square as a think as t, and then let us see this part. So what we'll do here, it is in this also under the root place you can give, then what is going to be happen, let us check. So when you give that also in under the root, what is going to be happen? So this is equal to half sine inverse x into x square minus half. So what is this part we need to find out now. So till that, if you are understood, just keep thumb symbol, then we'll go for remaining. You are getting or not? Firstly inform to me whether you are getting clarity or not. If you are not getting clarity, inform to me now itself, so that I can help you all. So only already 10 finished, and we have less time to complete this part. So let's check and inform to me. So I did not get any comment from you all. Firstly, give you a comment. Sahil, you just inform to me. Clarity is missed or what? Because I am finding my place. Little clarity was missed. Let me see to it first. I think Garima said yes, sir. What about Sahil? So we need to find out that. Sahil, check the clarity, Sahil, and inform to me fastly. So actually my connection was lost. Let me check whether the connection was there properly or not. That is the reason I was asking you all whether clarity you are finding and everything is good. Okay, Garima said yes, sir. Okay, so mine actually now, just now it was connected. Let me go for it. Okay. Okay. Anyhow, so let us rub this part. I think now clarity is there. Okay, now close our session here. And remaining problems I'm going to explain in another video, offline video, and then I will send to you. Just go through it, Amma. So now this is big procedure. Anyhow, first let's think how to solve this. If they given like this, x square upon square root of 1 minus x square, then I'm going to help you all. So first you need to think that, and then next video, that is at 12 p.m. today, again I'm going to give one video. So means one class I'm going to take. There I'm going to explain how it is came and what is that. Okay. So this part onwards, next video you have to watch, then only you can understand. Okay. Because already The 11th standard class was going to start. So let us close here. May God bless you all.